Hey guys, welcome back to Bit9. Today I am going to show you a cool workaround to install a Netflix app on your Mac OS. Since there isn't an official Netflix app for Mac, I'll guide you through a simple method that lets you create a Netflix-like app that you can add to your dock. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Netflix homepage by typing in www.netflix.com. Once you're on the Netflix homepage, click once on the Browser tab. Then, grab the URL of that page by clicking and dragging it to your desktop. This action will create a browser shortcut for Netflix. Now, if you double-click on this shortcut, Netflix will open up in your browser. But, we want to make this shortcut look and feel like a real app. To make this shortcut look better, go to the website macosicons.com. In the search bar, type Netflix and pick out an icon that you like. Once you find one, click on it to download it to your computer. Next, we'll replace the shortcut icon with the new Netflix icon. Right-click or command-click on the Netflix shortcut and select Get Info. In the Info menu, drag the downloaded icon into the top left corner where the current icon is. You can also rename the shortcut to Netflix by clicking on the name and typing in the new name. Finally, to add this new Netflix app to your dock, simply drag the shortcut into your dock. Now, whenever you click on it, Netflix will open up in your default browser. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Netflix app on your Mac that you can easily access from your dock. This method works with any website, so feel free to create similar apps for Reddit, Facebook, Instagram, and more. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more handy tech tutorials. Happy streaming, and see you next time.